Hi Gordon, thank you for joining us at Bali for our Partner Leadership Summit. Okay, so firstly, can you just give us a brief introduction of your company?
Great, thanks Randy. It's really great to be here at the Huawei Summit in Bali. Excellent event and a lot of interesting partners to speak with. Humanica company is a business that has been in business for 20 years now, and recently it comes together as the merger of DataOn, Indonesian-based company, with Humanica, a Thai-based company. So today we're the largest provider of human resource technology in our core countries in the region, particularly Thailand and Indonesia, but with operations throughout all of APAC. And our business focuses on providing HR technology and associated consulting solutions, payroll outsourcing, and other services to our customer. We provide the complete range of the HR technology as a SaaS cloud application. So we deal with employee payroll, time attendance, and employee information, all the way through to a lot of human capital development for things like performance management, training, recruitment systems, and planning tools for our customers. Today, the business is now handling over 2 million employees in the region, with thousands of customers across our multiple solution lines. And this year, we launched a new product together with the combination of DataOn and Humanica. We're able to refresh our products and launch our new cloud-based HR technology solution for enterprise, which is called Workplace.
All right. So can you tell us what is the major considerations when you are choosing a cloud service provider?
Our company's been providing HR technology solutions for 20 years, so we're no stranger to software and infrastructure hosting. Primarily, our solutions are provided as a cloud service. We've had the history of running those solutions a lot in-house through our owned and operated data centers. And when we looked at starting to transition, we were under a lot of pressure from our customers because the usage of our solutions have changed so much in the last few years, from being really a back office solution used by HR to very much a front office tool. And we've seen the usage level at consistent customers grow by 800% over the last few years. So the load on our servers also goes up in parallel with that at 800%. And that needing to satisfy that level of growth for our systems in combination with our organic growth with our business, it was quite a challenge for us. So we looked to transition to cloud. And we worked with a variety of different cloud providers, but ultimately landing on Huawei, mostly due to the really excellent support we've had from the engineering teams there with the optimization of the deployment and the transition from what we would have as like a bare metal server to virtual machines and eventually to containerization, as well as changes that we've seen in database architecture from traditional databases to RDS style deployment.
So besides that, how does Huawei Cloud has helped in your business?
So for us, when we were growing, we needed to meet that need of rapid growth, and Huawei was able to provide us that cloud infrastructure quite quickly, and we were able to meet our customers' needs for ever increasing performance, lower latency, with the applications, particularly for users that use applications through mobile. They don't accept longer latency or loading times as they perhaps would on a web system. When you get to mobile, they expect it to be extremely fast. And we now have about 75% of our usage traffic coming through mobile because it's so widely used by the general population of employees in our customer base. When we made that transition, it also increases our hosting costs quite a lot, right? And our customers still really are not willing, if they use the software 8 times more, they're not willing to pay 8 times the price, unsurprisingly. So with working with Huawei, we were able to find ways to optimize that infrastructure on cloud and meet peak demand times as well as overall performance at a decreasing cost, particularly in the way that we roll out things like disaster recovery to multiple locations, and use of the database in clustered environments using RDS and being able to handle things like auto scaling for peak user demand have helped us reduce the average hosting cost by almost 50% over this year alone.
I see. So last question. So what are Humanica looking forward in the near future to achieve with Huawei together?
So Huawei's really done a lot to promote its ecosystem concept and bringing together partners. So we've recently signed an MOU with Huawei to help co-develop the ecosystem with Humanica. So we're definitely looking forward to a lot of opportunity that we can get and ways we can service our customers better by approaching them in a joint capacity. So that's very exciting for us. Additionally, the concept of ecosystems is something that we see pretty much pervasively throughout technology. Everything is about APIs, integration, and multiple different service providers. That also applies to HR technology. So we also have to deliver to our customers a solution that does things like payroll and performance appraisals. But more and more today, it's about productivity and additional tools being wrapped into that complete solution. So we're one of the few providers, actually worldwide, that's able to offer a complete HR solution end-to-end for product market fit for the local APAC region, and also be able to bring in third-party tools that help us around concepts of future of work, improving employee productivity, collaboration, and engagement of employees. So aside from working in the ISV program with Huawei, we also look to utilize more and more of those services through our partners and Huawei's partners to bring them in a consistent, secure, and privacy-managed package that's delivered to our end customers.
I see. So let's hope that we can have more and more good and better services in the future together.
Great.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
For your time.
All right. Thanks.